Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. Okay, it is the time for today's $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. There is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. So take your time to study the strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. Okay, if you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we are doing right now. Okay, so the first asset is going to be boom 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. It started selling right from here but got to this support zone and had a major pullback. Okay, so it broke out above this resistance zone, and of course it bought till it got to a new resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, but if it breaks out from there, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, except if not until it's unable to break out from the resistance, that is when it will start selling. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so quickly let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 started an uptrend right from here. You can see the entry point. Okay, and of course it bought to this region, had a pullback, went back up again, had another pullback, then went back up again, and of course this is at the resistance zone, and if it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back into a downtrend fully. Okay, so we should be expecting that any moment from now. However, it is still buying. It might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction of the market into a downtrend. Okay, so we should take note of that also. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. It started the downtrend right from here and it started selling, and you can see it selling and selling till it got to this support zone. It got to the support zone around here but broke out below it to sell more, and of course if it does not break out below this, then definitely it will go back into an uptrend, but for now it is still selling, even though this might not be for a very long time. That is, if it does not break out below that support zone, then it will go back into an uptrend. Okay, now the next asset is going to be crash 500. The movement had not been very smooth on this particular chart, and of course got to this support zone at the buy trend, that is an uptrend, but got to this resistance zone and sold more. Okay, it has got into this support zone again. It will be trying it out again. If it breaks out below it, to keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend, but for now it is still selling. Okay, the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75. Started from here, got to this region, and of course came down till it got to this level, and of course guys, it has gotten into this resistance zone. If it is unable to break out from there, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, but if it breaks out above this, then definitely it will buy till it gets to this particular region. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from that resistance zone. Okay, so these are the assets that we have for today. I mean, these are the analysis that we are for today. Okay, so we will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.